Hi everyone, I am Justin Forgan from TE Connectivity. I'm a product manager in our interconnect devices team, and I have an exciting new product to introduce to you. So what we have here is our side entry repair kit. It is designed for when customers have a damage to both jacket and braid. This is a common industry problem where a damage like that would put any application on stop. So therefore, costing OEMs large amounts of money and time. So what we have is a product that is designed to be repaired in the field and provide that permanent solution. So the way it works is we supply it in a kit. Within that kit, it has all the necessary products, but key to which is first you would cut back the damaged braid. You would apply a braid impregnated solder. This gives it that electrical continuity. From there, you use our housings. These housings are then clipped over the damaged area. From there, you would then use S1125. We inject that into the housing, and that then gives it the environmental protection. So once it's done, removal of the cap, and you have then a in situ permanent repair kit. Thank you very much.